all businesses are small to medium sized. So my question is, why are these SMEs underserved by banks? My name is Jeremy. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Arival Bank, and I believe the future of digital banking belongs to SMEs, and I can prove it. Our story started 1 year ago when our fintech VC fund from Singapore was approached by hundreds of different crypto-related businesses, all coming to us with the same problem. Their banks were closing and freezing their accounts and not giving them the products and services they need to operate and run their business on a day-to-day level. We quickly understood that this problem was universal, and simply put, no easy way exists right now for crypto-related SMEs to open up a bank account. We built the first digital fintech bank that not only allows these businesses to effectively manage their finances, but moreover, we give them the qualitative product access they need to really thrive on a day-to-day level. And we do this by partnering with some of the best fintechs on the market and integrating their products and services into our banking interface for our customers. And lastly, we help these businesses reinvent their business identity to make their lives easier. There are several key elements of our fintech bank. First and foremost is that we operate on an open API-based banking approach, meaning we can easily integrate these fintechs into our platform. Next, our KYC and AML has been our primary focus from day one, so we can effectively onboard these kinds of customers. Our US-based banking license means we will be a borderless bank and can onboard businesses from all over the world. And lastly, we do share traditional similarities with traditional banks, meaning we only transact in fiat currencies, hence we're not a true crypto bank. Now, we identified two other key customer segments we're going after besides the crypto angle. First of which are gigs, so freelancers, independent contractors, and micro businesses. In the US, for example, 40% of the US workforce are already freelancers. And lastly, we're going after the traditional small businesses and startups. So again, going back to the US, over 28 million of them exist. If we take a quick look at the competitive landscape today, you can see how saturated it is on the bottom and on the left side. That's because you're seeing a lot of the classical digital banks for retail customers, where the opportunity exists right now is on the right and on the top right. What digital bank is going to come about that is exclusively for SMEs and crypto-related SMEs? Now, one of our X factors is actually our KYC and AML technology. So one of the things we do in the beginning is making sure we're meticulous enough in getting all the data points we need to effectively onboard our customers first, and then make sure they stay with us long term. And we do this through different ongoing compliance technology. We took a quick look at how traditional banks do it, and they're very historic and notorious for being time-consuming and costly. And they're restricted to geo borders, meaning they can't onboard clients from all over the world. And of course, they're not designed for crypto-related businesses. We see it as a totally frictionless process that really can onboard these kinds of businesses we're going after. Here's the secret: we don't build or develop any of our products in-house. And I'll tell you why. Banks right now cannot deliver 5 to 10 of the premier or elite products and services for SMEs. So what we do is we take fintech market leaders in their respective verticals and integrate their products into our platform. This creates a full suite of customized products and services for SMEs. So right now, SMEs need to navigate, let's say, 20 to 30 different fintechs, download all these apps, create all these accounts. It's a very chaotic experience. So what we do is we can create an interface that brings you the best fintechs in one place, unifies logins, making sure that the money is transparent, the movement of money is transparent, and the data is aggregated. Our team has invested in nearly 30 fintech startups. We've had 7 exits. 4 of those 7 exits are digital banks. So we have an extremely unique presence in the digital banking community. And collectively, we have this united passion for fintech and bringing digital banking to SMEs. Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。